If you're a designer using heavy software like Photoshop, After Effects, or Premiere Pro, and your system suddenly starts lagging or freezing, here's what you should check first. Open your Task Manager and go to the Performance tab. Look for your cached and available memory. If your cached memory is equal to or more than your available memory, especially above 10 to 20 gigabytes, that's your problem. Here's the fix. Go to Google and search for RAMMap. It's a free and official tool from Microsoft, so completely safe. After download, right-click and extract downloaded folder. I already have it installed here. Inside that, click rammap.exe file and run it as administrator. Keep your Task Manager open so you can see the live effect. In RAMMap, go to the Empty menu, then select Empty Standby List, and boom! Within seconds, your cached memory will drop from gigabytes to megabytes, freeing up tons of RAM instantly. If you still want to clean even deeper, press Windows plus R, type %temp%, and delete all those temporary files. Tip: do this cleanup every 15 days. Your software, games, and system will run much smoother. And remember, keep creating, because even a single change can spark your creativity.